New at 6, a Centennial couple reached out to Denver 7 for help after they say they've been battling an insurance company for months.
They say they were denied coverage after recently having a baby. Denver 7's Amy Wattas shares their concerns and advice from an expert if you find yourself in the same situation.
I know you're hungry.
This holiday season was marked with several firsts for the Heil family of Centennial. Their 7-month-old son, Hayne, celebrated his first Christmas and New Year's.
We had the baby at Rose Medical. Amazing
Loved
hospital.
The hospital. Had a great experience. Great team there.
Nurses were fantastic.
While it was a great birth experience, what came after that wasn't so great for the couple. In November 2023, they enrolled in what's called hospital indemnity insurance through the company MetLife. It's a supplemental insurance that can reimburse a consumer for a hospital stay.
We went online, saw that the tagline on MetLife's actual website was, "Hey, are you pregnant? You should sign up for this for next year."
So that's what they did since they were expecting in 2024.
All was well until June. We had the baby and then we went to get reimbursed, and let's just say 3 months of jumping through hoops with MetLife, back and forth. Eventually they denied the claim.
They received this letter back in September, which states in part, quote, "Your claim is being denied because the condition claimed was caused by or resulted from a pre-existing condition."
And they basically said that it was a pre-existing condition, that she was pregnant the year before when you signed up for the benefit.
I just never would have thought that pregnancy too would have been considered a pre-existing condition, because it sounds like epilepsy or, not pregnancy.
The Heils filed a complaint and got a response justifying the claim denial. The letter states in part, quote, "We confirmed with your employer that in advance of the open enrollment season for plan year 2024, your employer posted informational materials on their internal enrollment website. MetLife reviewed those materials and confirmed they contain a citation or statement that there is a pre-existing condition limitation applicable to the MetLife Group Hospital Indemnity Insurance Plan." Denver 7 reached out to MetLife directly about the terms of the Heils group policy to see the pre-existing condition limitations. I went through the document, and within the definition section, pregnancy is considered a, quote, sickness within the policy.
I was always pregnant prior to signing up, so why wasn't that just initially communicated as opposed to going through all these different emails and calls?
Hospital indemnity plans can sort of masquerade as being health insurance.
Govind Prasad teaches health law at the University of Denver.
The problem with these plans is that they have a huge amount of latitude to define what is considered a pre-existing condition because they're not subject to those Affordable Care Act regulations. I can completely understand why somebody would feel scammed.
It's not really about the money. It's more about letting the community know, don't get scammed.
Prasad says there's a few things you can do if you have questions about a specific health plan. He says to first check and see if the plan is covered under the Affordable Care Act and will cover pre-existing conditions. Reach out to your company's human resources department. And he also says make sure you read the fine print.
People are busy. They're doing a lot of different things. There's an organization called the Colorado Consumer Health Initiative that I know has some sort of watchdog programs. They may be able to help folks in understanding.
Amy Wattas, Denver 7.